Hate crime, what is it and how does it affect us? Hate incidents and hate crimes are acts of violence and intimidation targeted at people because of their perceived difference. They involve hostility or prejudice towards people based on race or ethnicity, religion, sexual orientation, disability, or because they're transgender. Hate crime can take many forms: assaults, verbal abuse, hate mail, or damage to homes and property. It can have a devastating impact on victims and their families, leaving them feeling isolated, unsafe, and permanently anxious, and can cause a sense of fear and vulnerability to resonate throughout the community. The 2011 census shows we've become an increasingly diverse society with over 200,000 of us born outside Northern Ireland and over 32,000 people belonging to minority ethnic groups. Such diversity has enriched our society, economically and culturally. However, since 2011, the PSNI has recorded over 6,000 racist hate incidents. Last year alone, the police dealt with 660 race hate crimes, an average of 2 every day.
To actually be faced and told that you shouldn't be here, that I'll do everything to make you leave, that is serious. When I moved in the street, my car, sometimes the windscreen was smashed, my 4 tires were totally slashed, and the children would be sometimes called names in the street. Anything like that happened in the area, and any time that happened, actually, people knew, but they would not react to it. I get the impression they didn't want to get involved. If you're going to stay there in that community, you need the reaction from people in the community.
The Policing Board recognises that racism is not the responsibility of the police alone, but that they do have a very central role to play. That's why the Policing Board, in its latest Human Rights Thematic Review, has examined how police identify, record and investigate race hate crime. The review also examines how victims are encouraged to report incidents and how they are supported by the police. The report makes 14 recommendations for the PSNI so that they can provide a better response. The focus for the board is to make sure that policing provides the best service to victims and that victims have the confidence to report hate crime to the police. No victim should ever be deterred from reporting because they think it's not worth it. You can find out all you need to know about the board's race hate crime recommendations on our website www.nipolicingboard.org.uk. To watch more films like this, subscribe to our Policing Board YouTube channel.